What's up, family? Just hit record. See if you can follow me. Impalas. I got two going. The original gray one, it's going back gray. It's been here for a few months. We're getting towards the end on that one. Got another local one that's going all black. It's a good friend that's come through and boosted his confidence and started taking it apart himself and doing a lot of the work. So I'm sneaking some work in here and there for him. Got some seats sewn up. This is a perforated suede. A special order and custom stamped perforations. Couldn't find a good quality suede that was already perforated. This just got finished. It hasn't seen any heat. We'll go out to the other one here in a minute. We have radios going in both vehicles. This is for the gray one. If you're installing a radio, do yourself a favor and get a wiring install kit. That way you can just plug directly up to the factory harness. I'll have to cut that stuff out. And the black one is getting a double DIN kit. There's your kit for you guys that want to order those. Got the rest of his back seat cut out. Gotta add some more foam like this to each piece and sew it together. It's front seat patterns need a cutout for the gray one and black one. But here's some headrests for the gray one finished up. I have a third one. I'm not even going to talk about that. There's a third set of seats in the mix. That'll be down the road. I have the pattern for it though. Alright. I'll start with the black one and end on the gray one. So he's taking it this far himself. Let me go on the other side. Put the driver's seat in so we could go back and forth. Alright, we got carpet and mats in. He's put Dynamat kill mat himself. He removed all the old stuff. As long as you guys can turn a screwdriver and a wrench, you can get it this far also. When it comes to headliners, you can do the carpet yourself too if you got confidence. I've got videos in the past showing how to cut them, fit them, and where to start. Not too much done on this yet, but it will be. She's going to get a black suede headliner and a full wrap. I'll just leave it at that. Removing this, doing the relocation. That kit relocates the double DIN on top. Alright. There's that one basically. I won't spoil all the plans for this car. Probably see it finished this summer. Yeah, the next step on this one is to clean the trunk out and sort the last few pieces, which is basically the lower dashes. If you remember from the early videos, they were both busted up pretty bad. I'm still praying and staying positive that something else is going to show up. So we'll see. It's going to be the last part I do on this car is that lower dash. I am going to go ahead and finish this side though, because I can put this trim and the glove box on. So I'll finish it over to there and then we just have that lower dash. We'll get the radio in next. Console's been cleaned up. All the black re-dyed. All this was completely taken apart. Every piece repainted. Lens polished with plastic polish so it's clear. All this in here painted. All this trim was removed and everything during the process. Again, I have videos showing that too. There's our back seat. She's seen a little bit of sunshine, but next step, radio and the window tint I need to remove. She'll see a little more heat and lay out even better. She's getting there though. And since the last video, I think the seat belts were in. If not, they're done. All the trim, the lower trim is finished. So technically this car is done from sun visors, headliner, back deck, back seat, seat belts, carpet, all the trim. Kick panels recovered with the same carpet. And that's where we're at. So yeah, let me get the window tint off and the radio in. A few more things done and we'll revisit this. Still have to bolt this down too. Here's a bolt busted out through the plastic, so I have to make a little floor piece for that and use it as a washer. This one's okay back here. Then once I get the trunk cleaned out, I've got under the hood wired up. It's just not connected to the battery yet. I'm going to get some nice connectors, run a new 0 gauge from the battery to the alternator. I'll cut them a ground to fit. And with the stereo you're doing, you're going to have somebody put you a new alternator on there. So when they remove that, they can put the ground on right behind it. So yeah. But anyways, we need your second battery. So after I clean this out really good, I'm going to do away with that spare tire also. Just put it to the side for now. But yeah, let me clean all this up, get the wiring neat, second battery mounted, and amp board with the amps. And we can get some sound playing inside. And I can get it all the way up to the point where speaker box and subs can just be plugged in. Speaker wires. We'll need those too, I guess, at the end. It's a beautiful day. A little cold. Alright. Be back soon. Thanks for watching. Peace.